single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
That's good root beer. Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today we are going to be doing a keto-friendly chicken dish, and I'm going to break down the cost of everything as well as how I prepare it. My wife and I are thinking about going on a slight diet. Well, she's definitely going on it, but you know, I still got to have my ribs every now and then. But during the rest of the week, we're going to try to eat a little bit more healthy, other than the days that I like to do my barbecuing and you know, eat what I want, I guess. But we're going to barbecue this chicken, or we're going to grill it, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that here. So let's get into this keto-friendly cook. I'm going to say for under $20. So feeding 2 people. So let's get into this. Okay, for this cook we're going to be using my Plum stainless steel Performer. Now I haven't used this all summer, and this grill's a little bit sentimental to me because it is my first colored kettle, and it was also my first SSP, and I just love this grill. So let's get in and show you how I'm going to set it up. So I've got my original charcoal baskets off to one side here, and then I just have a small chimney here that we're going to start out with. So I've got a couple of fire starters down here. I'll get this one going up on top. First thing we want to do is cut up a lemon in some thin slices. Now I bought 2 lemons, they were 99 cents each. I'm only going to use one, so we're at 99 cents. So I'm going to cut off the end. And you want them as thin as you can get them. A lot of people will use a mandolin slicer to get really thin slices. So you can see that's about what you want right there. So we will get this all sliced up and we will show you the next step. So we have our lemon all sliced up. So what we want to do is put it on a cooking sheet. Now I laid down parchment paper here, and I folded it all in so it won't catch on fire out on the grill. So we will just put our lemon slices out here, like so, something like that. And then we want to season them a bit. Okay, so I've just got some olive oil. We are just going to dribble it over the top of these lemons, like so. Let's get it on it. Doesn't have to be perfect, just a little bit of olive oil all over. And then I have some Weber chicken and rib rub. We're just going to lightly coat these, just to give it some coloring. So we want to start with this because we're going to have it out there on the grill for about 20 minutes. On the chicken, we're going to do it a little different. So we're going to get these going and then we'll add these to the chicken after they're done. let these go for about 10 minutes and we'll come out and check. So we just checked the lemons. They need about 10 more minutes. And while they're going, I'm going to go over a couple of the other ingredients. What I got here are green olives. We'll use about half a cup of green olives sliced in this recipe. And the green olives paid $2.99 for this. And we'll probably use half of them maybe. And then also you need capers. Now we're going to drain these. For these you need 1 tablespoon, and these were on sale for $1.99. So we will get these prepared. The other thing is you need chicken broth, low sodium, because the other ingredients are going to have plenty of salt in it. So make sure you get low sodium. This was like 75 cents. So we'll use all those ingredients and we'll get into this. So I've got the green olives here. Like I said, my wife is not a huge fan of green olives, so we're not going to go crazy with them. She is like me when it comes to curry. Any type of olive, she just has to turn her nose up on them. She won't do olives at all, and I won't do curry. So I'm just going to cut these into round slices here, like so. I won't bore you with me almost nicking my fingers, because I know everybody was waiting for that to happen. Maybe someday. But we'll get these all sliced up and we'll go on to the next step. Okay, here our lemons are done. We're going to just take those off and move those to the side. Skillet in here heating up, because we're going to use that for the chicken. I don't have it over the coals, I have it offset here, because I'm not going to have it right on direct heat, because I need to sear that chicken. So we'll get this heating up so it's nice and warm. Okay, as you can see here, I have 4 skinless, boneless chicken breasts. They were $2.99 a pound. This was just over $7 for these 4. So you can do the math. It was about 3 pounds, roughly. Is that 9 pounds or $9? So just under 3 pounds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit these with Complete. I really like this Complete seasoning. And then I'm also going to hit it with Weber salt-free chicken rub. I really like this too. So what I've done is I have rinsed these off and patted them dry. And now I'm going to just come in with my seasoning. Get a nice coat on it here. And then we'll hit this side with the Complete also. So we got 2 seasonings on them. Now I'm going to take my dirty hand or my wet hand. I'm going to flip these over. And I'm going to come back with my other hand and I'm going to season the other side, like so. Not a little heavy, but that's alright. Alrighty. We'll get these out to the grill and we will do a direct heat cook on them for about 2 minutes per side. We just want to brown them, and then we want to put them in that skillet and mix in our capers and our olives and our chicken broth. Okay, we'll just have these on here for a couple minutes. So flip them over. So I'm using the Artiflame grill grate. Can't tell that. So let those go for a couple more minutes, then we're going to get them in the skillet. Ready? So let's go ahead and get these into the skillet here. So now we want to add 1.5 cups of low sodium chicken broth. We want to put in our capers. Put a few on this, each one. Got juice in there. Then we want to get our olives. Now, like I said, my wife doesn't like olives, so I'm going to put them on these ones over here. But we're going to put the rest down in the broth here. We'll keep it off these two, even though they look like they'll probably come off pretty easily. And we're going to let this go probably for a half hour, 45 minutes here. We'll come out in about 15 minutes and check it. Okay, our chicken's up to temp here. So what we want to do now is we just want to take some pads of butter here, put them on top of these, like so. Get that one on there. And then our roasted lemons, we're going to put those on top. Let's put a couple there. The other ones we're just going to put down in the broth. And we'll let these go for another 10 minutes. Okay, here is our cast iron breast of chicken in the chicken broth, capers, and green olive with lemons. Let's get one out of here and try it. Let's give our keto-friendly chicken breast a taste. Got the green olives, got the capers, and the chicken, of course. Wow. You wouldn't like it. It tastes bad. No, it tastes great. Sprinkle a little parsley on top of it to give it that effect. Yeah, that's really good. Oh, and so easy to do. Well, you saw how I did that, where I roasted the lemon slices at the beginning and then basically browned off the chicken, put it in the skillet with the chicken broth and the capers and the onion, or capers and the olives. Let that cook up, let it reduce the chicken broth stock, kind of simmer that down. And then I added a pat of butter on each one of them, and then put the lemon slices, let it go another 10 minutes, and boy, this is really good. Yeah, and like I said, just going over the prices again. Got the chicken breast, $2.99. It was about $7. The jar of green olives were $2.99. Used half of it. The capers were $1.99. Used, I'd say a little over a quarter of that. And chicken broth, well, that was like 70 cents. So, and then the 2 lemons, 99 cents each. So that was $2, but I only used one, and one of them was really big, and that was enough for the 4 chicken breasts. The salad, I think I paid $2.50 for it, and then the dressing, of course, I bought a new bottle of dressing, but that was like $3. But we'll still use that, so can't really throw that in the price. So yeah, for under $20, and I've got leftovers, so I'm gonna have another meal. You're looking at 2 meals, 4 servings, 2 meals. So that's what, $5 a plate. So, and it tastes really good. So, well, I really appreciate you watching my videos, and you can do this too. It's not that difficult. It's keto friendly. Grill on. Until next time, friends.